out how to do my tie.
Good fish. Oh, I don't need to be flipping them, see? That's why you don't flip them. Huh?
Oh, you don't flip them?
Because of this 2-pound line, it breaks. I need my net for everything. It's a good fish too. But look, it done broke my net, broke my line. So Brad uses 2.2-pound line. And
Does he get a lot of breaks?
No, because what he does is he nets every fish. Hand me
What
that
you
bucket.
need to be doing?
Well, I'm hard-headed that way.
Huh?
I'm hard-headed. I don't want to net every fish.
Why not?
Because I'm hard-headed. Well, see, I don't make excuses for my. That's a good fish, YouTube. And with that, here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and today we are out here on. Oh, now you get bougie.
Yeah, bougie.
You got 11-inch fish, and now all of a sudden they don't want to see it. So, folks, today I'm out here on Lake Oconee with my buddy Danielle McDonald Mac.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Been a while since we fished together, so I don't know how much my nerves can take today, but we're gonna see what we can do.
If he's on the next video, he lives today.
Hold that fish. Show the folks that fish, man. That's about 11-inch fish, folks. So we out here on Lake Oconee. Let's see if we can put some of these slabs in the boat. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fisherman with Drysdale. Let's go get them.
You didn't say which way to swing. You just said swing. Little fella. This little guy. Yeah.
And the orange one.
Yeah, we ain't doing that.
Don't want to be an inside. It's a pedophile.
Put him in the bucket. We keeping it?
Let him decide. We want to jump into the boat. They'll sit there with it in their mouth. You'll feel it when they spit it out. Set it up. see, I'm sticking them. Oh. Woo! That's another good one. That's another good one. Oh. If they gonna fall off, you want them to fall off in the boat? Show them up to the camera. Huh? I said show them up to the camera before you put them in the bucket. People want to see fish.
He gets free accommodations. He gets air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
And he gonna get some heat. Make 10 inches. Oh, Chris, you are hard-headed. Flipping hard-headed. Why? 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 I know better. I know better. Harvey told me, he said, you know what we call that when you do that? Yeah, he's a policeman. He's a police officer in DeKalb County. You got emotionally involved. I got emotionally involved. Oh my God, I knew better. I sat there and said it as, you know what the thing about it is? You asked, what did you ask? Why would I do it? Because I can. Is my answer. And this is the price sometimes. Why did you lift him in? You knew you shouldn't have. I knew I shouldn't have. So what I'm gonna do now is when it costs me enough, I do big things better. But when I can get away with it, I get away with it. Folks, I got emotionally involved on that one. She's still growing. She'll be bigger the next time I catch her though. Lesson learned. Got him. Got him. Another freeloader.
That's a revenge fish right there.
Another freeloader.
Uh-oh, they beat it. Look. Did you feel it? Uh-huh. But you saw when it did that little hurt, right? Oh. She's still growing. See, them the ones where it's like, okay, you saw that motion, set that hook. I'm gonna cut it off.
You broke it? Oh, it's a different rod.
This is a different one. Yo, man, I'm trying to tie a line together. put that fish in there. Sonona, I only take the fish off the hook for Sonona. You ain't built right.
Nigga, please.
You ain't.
It's called sportsmanship.
Right, YouTube, that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. We ended up with 13 fish that we kept. We threw a bunch of them back. Mac, what you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Always a good day on the water beats a good day at work. So, profitable. Got something for the freezer. And so we're going to enjoy the harvest.
There you go. So, folks, as always, thank you all so much for watching this channel. I appreciate everybody who hits that like button, everybody who leaves those comments, and a special thank you to my subscribers, my long-term subscribers. You already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Matt.
Out. God bless. Out.
Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Be blessed. Keep sunshine on your face.